What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I want to share with you my favorite trail mix protein shake. I'll be right back. So my favorite trail mix protein shake, I do want to caution you that this is something for convenience, something that you can put together, but it's definitely something that I have several times a week, and I really enjoy them. They taste really good. And without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it and tell you exactly how I make it. So with the protein shake, I start off with a scoop of the WadeTech Pro 24, and you can use whatever protein powder you want. Of course, if you haven't seen my review on this, I want to go ahead and invite you to go ahead and check out the review on this. And it's a protein shake I really enjoy. This one is the birthday cake, but vanilla will work fine here, even chocolate. Then I add about a half cup of granola. I'm using the Kind Healthy Grains Oats and Honey granola. Then I add a half cup of omega-3 trail mix. And I like this trail mix. It's fun to eat. Eat it for a snack, and I just like it omega-3 heavy. Then I add about a cup of water. And so this is, of course, is the half cup that I'm using, but I'll add 2 of these to it so I can get to a cup of water. And then, there you go, my second cup of water. And then I actually like to add a whole banana, but it's okay if you add a half banana. You know, and bananas, of course, are different sizes, but make sure you get your banana nice and chopped up in there. And then from there, I have everything. Now, sometimes what I do here too is I'll add, and most of the time now, I'll add a scoop of the Amazing Grass greens to this. It really helps me, of course, take in a serving. But I like the earthiness that it adds too. Go ahead and blend up the shake. And I always give it a little shake at the very end, and voila, there you have it. Very delicious shake, very good shake, very convenient. Very simple ingredients, and I want to share this with you because I think you would enjoy it also. So there you have it. That's my trail mix protein shake, and I'm not sure if there's some recipe out there or not. I didn't use a recipe for it. I just started throwing the ingredients together, and I liked it, and it's something I add in. I just like the way it tastes. It's something I look forward to having it. It's one of my meals. And actually, I also go ahead and put a scoop and a half in it too. So I make sure I have usually about, so this is like a 25 gram protein scoop, and I use a scoop and a half. So that helps me get up there to about 37 grams of protein in this. And I have that usually mid-afternoon. So as my meal for that. So I really like this. I also have had this for breakfast too. But I wanted to share this with you that gives you an idea, a good tip. If it's something that you want to try too, it gives you all your proteins and carbs and healthy fats because of the omega-3 trail mix, and it tastes delicious. I love it. So hopefully this video helped you. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Go ahead and leave me a review down there if this video helped you or you try it out and you like it. But thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys. This is B-Rob.